Hello and welcome everyone joining the 22nd International Conference on New Directions in the Humanities with the theme of Traveling Concepts. I am Orkida Faiz, Associate Professor in the Linguistics and Translation Department, College of Humanities and Sciences at Prince Sultan University. I'm the leader of the Literary and Digital Studies in the Humanities Research Group. It is my pleasure to present my research article, Power and Control Within the Branching Narrative of Black Mirror's Bandersnatch. This is a postmodern analysis that transcends spatial, contextual, and gamified structures. Bandersnatch, the first Black Mirror full-length movie, produced by Netflix, allows viewers to choose how the action unfolds by picking one or more options at certain points using the remote control. This choice allows for an expanded experience that gives the freedom to break away from the designed purpose of the creator of the narrative. Thus, understanding the postmodernist philosophies of Derrida and Foucault enhances our analysis of Bandersnatch, as their concepts of deconstruction and power and control are evident throughout the episodes. The practice itself sets the foundation for exploring its branching narrative technique, allowing viewers to make choices that shape the story's outcomes, creating a unique interactive experience with multiple forces at play. The nonlinear narrative offers layers of meaning that derive from the allusion of the title to Lewis Carroll's Through the Looking Glass, while traveling through a future where the protagonist realizes his reality as part of a computer game. Within the context, the analysis of Bandersnatch offers a model of the dynamics of branching narratives which lies at the core of the digital immersive storytelling. The Netflix series Black Mirror revolves around the dystopian implications of human-technology relationships, while the title itself evokes the black reflective screens of cell phones, television screens, and computer monitors. Bandersnatch itself is one of the fantastical creatures appearing in Lewis Carroll's Through the Looking Glass, which evokes the metaphor of the mirror as a binding element between two mirrors, one from Carroll and one from the Netflix series. Illusion adds depth to the episode's exploration of reality and perception as knowledge about the creature, Bandersnatch, as a fictional presence in the upside-down world of Carroll. Applying a deconstructionist frame, the illusion allows Carroll's creature to gain new life as a modern video game. Moreover, the audience ability to control the action when offered various options shifts the audience role in new media, transforming passive spectators into active participants. The technique of branching narratives used in Black Mirror's episode Bandersnatch embodies the transdisciplinary elements that add a sense of timeliness to immersive storytelling. The model offered here examines the universal trend of creating content by emergent digital methods. Experts in narrative-driven digital games acknowledge the importance of storytelling tools and the wide range of narrative elements to create in the audience a sense of narrative engagement. Such a model should reconcile the inherent linearity of narrative structures with the multiple paths offered by the interactive nature of a digital medium. Applying a postmodern interpretation to a television series entails a conceptual frame in which conceptions emerge from different disciplines, for example, literature and media. The significance of the branching narrative technique in Black Mirror's episode Bandersnatch lies in its ability to engage the audience on a deeper level. By allowing viewers to make choices and shape the outcome of the story, they share the trauma experienced by the protagonist. This technique not only enhances viewers' immersion, but also raises questions about free will, determinism, and the nature of reality. By exploring the branching narrative technique, we can gain insight into the evolving role of the audience in the new media and the potential impact of their engagement on the effectiveness of storytelling. The metaphor of the mirror serves as a central theme in Black Mirror's episode Bandersnatch. This metaphor is employed to explore the concept of self-reflection and the multiple realities that exist within the narrative. Through the use of branching narratives, the audience is encouraged to question their own choices and consequences that arise from them. By drawing on Lewis Carroll's Through the Looking Glass, Bandersnatch further emphasizes the idea of a fractured reality and the existence of parallel worlds. An overview of Derrida's concept of deconstruction gives an overview of deconstructionist theory as a critical approach that challenges the idea that a narrative, even as a text or a painting, has a fixed or stable meaning. Instead, deconstructionists argue that texts are full of contradictions, inconsistencies, and ambiguities, and that these features of texts are what makes them meaningful. Deconstructionists also argue that the meaning of a text is always deferred, meaning that it can never be finally fixed or pinned down. On another level, the deconstruction of ideas can further be applied on Foucault's metaphor of the ultimate surveillance diagram of the prison or panoptic structure into the space offered by the digital realm. The context of the episode lies within the ever-looming title of the series, Black Mirror, which embodies all the metaphors of the past, present, and the future. The fluidity of time is one of the captivating elements of the perception of the narrative. The past reference of the mirror brings to mind an upside-down world of Carroll's fantastical world that challenges reality and individual perception. In conclusion, applying a deconstructionist approach to storytelling challenges the notion of a single definitive narrative. The episode's intertextual references, deconstructionist narrative structure, and participatory culture of audience engagement all contribute to its immersive and thought-provoking nature. Bandersnatch challenges viewers' perceptions of reality, free will, and the nature of storytelling, inviting them to become active participants in the narrative and to reflect on their own choices and their impact on the story's outcome. In the meantime, the mirror in Bandersnatch represents the way in which technology can shape our perceptions of reality and our understanding of ourselves. Finally, I thank you all for joining the presentation. For any queries, you are welcome to reach out through any of the contacts on the screen. The full details of the paper will be published shortly in one of the new directions of the Humanities journals. Looking forward to hearing from you.